Go wooga woogie. I am a slut for gooey shit. Fuck Dr. Phil. Hookers.
You got to pick up everything. My space.
Just woke up so I look like ass. Happy birthday. Happy Mother's Day to all the different kinds of moms out there. You are cherished, you are loved, and you are special. This is everything I got Mama Blaze for Mother's Day. A really cute card. This blanket, Mama Blaze loves blankets. It's her favorite thing in the world. It looks like this. She got me like the exact same one, but for daughters a couple years ago. Got her some socks, and I'll put up on the screen what they look like. Yeah, really cute socks. And this bracelet, this amethyst bracelet. You guys know Mama Blaze loves amethyst, and it has a little silver heart charm hanging off of it. And it's all in this really cute bag that says, "Let's celebrate you." My mother got me this gorgeous dream catcher for Mother's Day because I am a mother. I have a fur baby. So look at this. I want my hair to be these colors. Sick. And it glows in the dark too. I forgot to mention. Sick. Yeah, you made me a mommy. I love you so freaking much. Mama Blaze wants this for Mother's Day, so I'm gonna do this for her because she's my mother. I love you.
You're nice too.
Thanks. Never have too many black tank tops. Got Christy. Who's Christy? We got Krispy Kreme assorted donuts for Sunday. Oh, this one is calling my name. I don't know what's in it, but I'm gonna try it. Pardon my appearance, but this is the so glazed donut I'm trying. And it looks like there's some red goo in there, and I love red goo, so let's give it a taste. I usually don't like jelly donuts.
I love red goo.
But this is strawberry, I think. And strawberries are my favorite thing in the world. And the donut is so rude. Donut is so fluffy. It's got a little bit of crisp on the outside because of the glaze. Bitch, fuck me up. I am a slut for gooey shit. I'll say that.
Krispy Kreme, so good, you'll suck a dick.
Orange juice. I love it. What's up, hookers? What am I wearing on my lips? TikTok influenced me. I allowed myself to get influenced by TikTok. Ew. Why am I so red? Ew. That is not a look. This lip liner, Mama Blaze got it for me for Easter. It's the Sachu Peel Off Lip Liner Stay in the shade Hazy. So that's what I'm wearing on my lips. Love this stuff. All you have to do, put it, it's just comes in a little applicator tube like this. You put it on, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and you have lip liner all day. This shit does not come off, like, unless you scrub it off for the whole day. You peel it off after 15 to 20 minutes and put some lip gloss on. You look snatched. I'm gonna do some gardening today. I'm so happy. I've been waiting to garden. I mean, not waiting for this time of year because fuck it. I miss gardening. I started last year with the tomato plants. You guys, if you were with me, you saw that. We'll see what I'm doing this year. Well, at least my start of this year. Go wooga woogie.
20 minutes later.
Look at this nasty. Look at this. Let's put some lip oil on. Look at how cute that is. And it'll be there for the rest of the day. I love it. Got both these planter pots, both for $2.99 at Goodwill. What? You have to unscrew it. No, look at these screws. You gotta screw.
It says.
So punch it. What is even that? What are you doing? Holy, what? Okay, that's a way to get your anger out. I'm in my backyard now, bish. This is the same pot that I had from last year where I grew my Tiny Tim's tomatoes. Yeah, that's a word. This year we have 3 tomato plants, the cherry tomatoes. I'm so excited. I have 2 of these like small cucumber plants. Like they're called burpless cucumbers. Look at that. How cute is that? So we got 2 of these. Probably what I'm most excited about, 1 of the strawberries. I'm gonna be growing strawberries, you guys. We have 3 cucumbers, not 2. I thought we had only 2. Get the soil. I'm gonna sit down before I break my back. This is so freaking heavy. I hope you guys can see everything I'm doing. So it's okay if I get the soil on the porch because we're just going to hose it down. that's good. I guess that came out all right. And yes, we have a spooky owl here that my aunt gave me and my family for a Christmas gift. She had it laying around and she said the rest of my family did not like it. Like her family, but my family, they did not like it. So she's giving it to us to adopt and we love it. It just sits out here and chills with the rabbits and the squirrels. All right, first pot. We're doing the cucumbers next. I already put some of the soil in. Okay, last planting we're doing is the strawberries. I'm so excited for this. This is probably what I'm most excited for this year, is the strawberries. I hope this comes out well. Oh, I'm so excited. Strawberries are my favorite fruit. Go ahead and water each one now. Cute. Cute. You guys are gonna do great. I have faith in you. Fuck Dr. Phil. It's been a couple days since we did my little gardening thing that happened. Some stuff has changed. Let me show you. I replanted the tomatoes because I realized that I planted them in a design that would not work. So there's that. I also got new cucumber plants because the other ones looked like they were wilting and dying. And I just got more plants in general, bish. We have cherry tomatoes, cantaloupe, strawberries, a grape tree, which is supposed to, like, the vines are maybe wrap around this. That was gonna look so cool. Cucumber and sweet spearmint. How cool is this little garden setup? Time to water. This strawberry plant looks like it's already growing little strawberries. Look at this one back here. Let me get a good shot of it. Look at it. Cute. Got my Starbucks. It's a good day, bitch. Did my nails, looking fancy as fuck. These are Mama Blaize's Mother's Day cards. One's for my sister, that one's for me. And these roses are still from Valentine's Day, from my father to my mother. She won't let us throw them out. She thinks they're prettier now than they were when they were alive, and to be honest and fair, she's right. Hi, kitty baby girl. I love you so much. Bless you. We have a wrestling event tonight, so we got Lazy Dog. I got chicken and red skin mashed potatoes, and Mama Blaize and I are gonna split some onion rings. Fuck me up, fam.
Communicating with each other through extensive fax networks.
I'm gonna make my famous cucumber and tomato salad for Memorial Day weekend. So let's get this full. Yum, all done. Hi, whores. Hi, Patrick. So, why am I always red? What? I'm not as red in person as I'm coming off on the fucking camera. Mama Blaize goes to the salon as a one treat to herself every 4 to 6 weeks. But she doesn't like the salon she goes to anymore. They gaslight the shit out of her. I'm not even kidding. It's on roads that are really scary and really far away. It's like 45 minutes away. She found a salon with good reviews that she's excited for. And she wants me to come with her today. So that's what I'm gonna do for moral support, because she's also nervous. Bathroom I've ever seen in a salon. Look, they have a fucking shower, dude. I mean, it's filled with stuff, but there's still a shower. For all my basic bitches out there. Oh my god! Dexter is just sweetly watching TV with me, getting ready to watch At World's End. Dexter, you don't even want to look at me, you just want to watch TV. If it looks like I just woke up, I did. A little farmer / flea market place opens today, so me and Mama Blaize are gonna go. Hi, Eddie. Best jerky. Green Magic Apothecary. And my favorite booth that I've spent at least $300 on. Look at these cute pins. Look, it's Gary. Look at these awesome earrings. They're so pretty. Oh my god, I love these. Look at how cute these little line buckle things are. I see the freaking nun. Oh my god, look at this little Chucky and Tiffany set. I have to. These succulent plants, these knitted succulent plants, they're so sweet. That's sweet looking. Yeah, this is really pretty. Getting a garlic plant to plant in my little garden. Is this big enough? Yeah, I think it is. He loves his organic wheatgrass. Oh, he waits all year. There you go. Just planted my little organic garlic. Oh, you're good. You're gonna do great. I have faith in you. Wait to put you in my pasta. I got these from Mama Blaze for Easter, and we want to do them now because it's a nice stormy day going in tonight now. I'm gonna be doing the cooling. She's gonna be doing the brightening. Cute. Cute. Very sex. Sex, sex, sex. Sex appeal. Word. Okay, I totally forgot to show you guys what we even got at the farmers / flea market, which is more like a small business market. That's what they should call it. Besides the garlic plant, which has been planted, you guys saw that. We got some organic wheatgrass for Dexter, which I think I showed a little clip of that too. Went to my favorite booth, and of course I spent money because, like I said, I've spent over $300 on that booth. They should be thanking me. I'm their best customer. Baby G Jewel, that's the name of them, and that's their information if you wanted to go and follow them. I was their 9th follower on Instagram. I did get the Chucky and Tiff earrings. Super adorable. Got the voodoo doll earrings. So sweet. They're wicked as hell. I love it. I got these really cute cloud and lightning earrings. I just thought they were so different from anything well, not so different, but different from anything I have, and I think they will go with pretty much anything. We stopped at another small business booth, me and Mama Blaze. We got charm bracelets. So this is mine. So the bracelets themselves were $10 and each charm is $4. So let me get you a better look at it. So we each got 3 charms. I picked out the Tree of Life, a Hamza hand, and a crown. Put up a picture right here of what Mama Blaze got. She got a Star of David, a cat, and an owl, I believe. Each Wednesday when they're there, we're gonna go and put on a new charm. This is like our thing now. And they are stainless steel, so we're good. Not to mention also at that booth that I love, the Baby G Jewel, I got this amethyst bracelet that's got some bronze skulls on it too, which is super neat.
1 week later.
My father came home from the actual flea market with a bunch of these babies. They are 19th century Chinese opium bottles, hand painted. How fucking sweet is this? Like, I love this. He got one for each of us. And mine's just delicately there. Went to sleep with a wet head yesterday. Mama Blaze and I are going back to the farmer's market, flea market, small business market. That's what the fuck it is. There's our little bunny that always gets trapped underneath our stuff. We love, and my father rescues him and puts him back outside. He's so tiny and so cute. Woo! Trenta strawberry acai refresher and a grilled cheese because their grilled cheeses are bomb. Well, hi, my beautiful little bitches. What are you doing in my fridge? Come on out, I want to show you something. At the farmer's market, we stopped by the Sun Med booth because they were there today. You guys, if you've been with me, you know they're my favorite CBD place. I used to be a regular customer of going to the store all the time, but we haven't gone for a while. I don't know why. If you were around for last spooky season, you might remember this as the witch's brew that I had. We picked up a few drinks. Oh, and my mom picked up kimchi because she loves this disgusting, stinky shit. For me, I got a peach Bellini. I'm excited to try that. And the green apple lemonade, which is the witch's brew, which is so delicious. It was $10 for each, I believe. Then for these smaller ones, they were having a sale 4 for $20. So my mother got huckleberry lemonade, blackberry lemonade, pineapple orange, and for my sister just another green apple lemonade for her because she really liked this too. So yum! Yummy drinks with yummy benefits. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go watch my World Without End with Dexter still. You guys are doing good. And until next time, stay wicked.